When we think about the word culture, most people have two definitions in mind. The first definition could be culture as in high or low or popular culture, and that usually refers to things like the visual arts, literature, theatre or dance. The second definition has to do with culture as in what a group of people share, and we often have terms like Mexican culture or British culture, Jewish culture or even Chicano culture. Those are all terms that come to mind with that second definition, and that will be the focus of today's video. So, with our first definition, as we mentioned, there are many different aspects or different components of this idea of culture. We have the visual arts, as you can see in the picture of an abstract painting. We have handicrafts, like the rugs we can see on the bottom left-hand side. We might have fashion, architecture or music, and within that there are many different styles and genres of culture. In our second definition, we're talking more about people. We're talking about people, their cultures, their history, what those people share as a group. And we're going to go into more detail of that in the next few slides. So the word culture, what does it mean? Where does it come from? The word culture comes from Latin, and it comes from the term colere, which means to grow. And then that comes into another form of the word culture, which means more to cultivate. So how do you think this word came to have its current meaning? What does growing or cultivating have to do with culture, as in what a group of people share? Shared history, or the way in which a group of people expresses or represents themselves?